for tuning into my Bollywood body. मैं आपका host Sunny, and we have Jennifer in the house. Here we go. You know, after 25 tries, she got it right. First try, she had that blonde moment. She was just standing like this. Second time, she started doing something with her hair. But finally, we got it all tapped down. आज इस how-to video के अंदर हमने आपके साथ जो exercise share करनी है, it's called Lat Pull Downs. These videos are primarily or specifically for those clients जो हमारे workouts follow करें, or they are following Jennifer on her Instagram page, but they always ask it, you know what, how to do a certain exercise. Yes, you post. There are so many posts on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. People use clickbaits, whatnot. But what is the biomechanics? What are the goods and the bad जो चीज़ें आप हमारे साथ शेयर करें कि what is the proper technique to do a certain workout. So through these smaller videos हम ये चाहते हैं कि हम आपको बताएं कि ये exercise आपने करनी कैसे है, right Jennifer? You didn't get the word I said, but it's okay. Just go with the flow. So जब भी आपने lat pull down लगानी, again there are different varieties of it, different forms. So normally you go wider grip, you can go underhand grip, you can go close grip. So wide grip lat pull down, जहाँ से बार bend होती है वहाँ से आपने पकड़ना है. Let's go girl. So जब आपने बार पकड़ ली, I want you to sit down, lean back about 10 to 15%. So remember, the key behind this workout is the form. जैसे आपने बैठना है, जैसे अपने आप को adjust करना है. So you can do about 5 to 10 reps. जहाँ से बार bend होती है, वहाँ से आपने पकड़ना है. उसके बाद आपने lean back थोड़ा सा करना है. Now look at the slow, the tempo इसे कहते हैं कि आपकी movement क्या होनी चाहिए. आपने यूं नहीं ऊपर नीचे जाते रहना. So what you do is, see, she lean back a little bit, she brings it down, then she pauses and then she squeezes. That's very very important. लोग क्या करते हैं, वो pause नहीं डालते, लोग जाते हैं back and forth, back and forth. Yes, it works on the same muscle, but in a long run आपके bicep भी खींचेंगे, आपके short head खींचेगा, आपके long head खींचेगा, आपके flexor खींचेंगे, आपके extensor खींचेंगे, आपका trap खींचेगा, आपके shoulder में दर्द होने लग जाएगी. To do the workout right, you gotta make sure आपकी form ठीक रहे. Form ठीक रखने के लिए you need to make sure कि आप pause करें. So see what she does. She goes up, she comes down, she pauses. जब आप pause करते हैं ना, you retract your shoulder blades और फिर आप अपने muscle को खींचते हैं. अब इस exercise के दो हिस्से हैं. This is pause and this is a squeeze. Now ऊपर जाते हुए this is a stretch. जब आप squeeze करते हैं, that's when you rush blood into the muscle. जब आप stretch करते हैं, that's when the muscle grows. जैसे मैं हर एक्सरसाइज, हर आउट टू वीडियो, हर वर्कआउट के अंदर कहता हूँ, हर एक्सरसाइज पे याद रखें पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. आपका स्क्वीज एंड स्ट्रेच होता है, दोनों एक्सरसाइजों को प्रॉपर करें. जब आप जोर से खींच के लाते हैं, स्क्वीज खत्म हो जाता है, सिर्फ स्ट्रेच पे काम करते हैं. स्क्वीज थिकनेस के लिए है, स्ट्रेच विड्थ के लिए है. वन मोर रेप गर्ल, लीन बैक, पॉज, स्क्वीज एंड ऑल द वे अप एंड यू स्ट्रेच. दैट्स अबाउट इट. So a great exercise to be added in any back workout. Normally अगर आपने जब workout शुरू करना हो, you start with these kind of a workouts. I normally go for about 4 sets, 8, 10 up to 12 repetition depending on what program you're following. Jennifer, would you like to add something to it?
Typically if you're going for building
Look in the
muscle,
camera, your husband's right behind the camera. Look in the camera.
Typically if you're going for building muscle, you want to have 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 rep range.
Here we go. Can you say that in English now? So you guys got it right. So make sure you follow her on Instagram
It's at Jen Toro Fit.
So at is just the sign. You don't have to see. That's what I mean. Blonde movements. So Jen Toro Fit is her name on Instagram, and I'm my Bollywood body. I have no name. #no name trainer. So guys, see you in the next video in a couple of weeks. Thank you. Come again.